In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install TikTok app on PC or laptop totally securely. What you have to do is first, you can type here Microsoft Store. Go on it and you will see the search option in here. You can search TikTok and you can see the app. Click on it, click get it. It will install in your PC or laptop immediately. Now you can see, click open it. Now from the three dot icon, click on the three dot icon and you can see create a desktop shortcut. Click on it, click allow. Now if you go to your desktop, you can see TikTok is installed in your desktop and you can use it. Also, if you go to the start option and you can see the TikTok available in here. Now press it, hold it and scroll it on here. You can easily create a shortcut and you can use it on your desktop or PC. So thanks for watching. Subscribe.